Hello everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix your Oblivion Remastered Has Crashed fatal error. Hi everyone, so here's how to fix your Oblivion Remastered Has Crashed a fatal error. So first is you want to check system requirements. So you want to make sure your PC meets the Oblivion Remastered mod requirements. High resolution textures and mods needs at least 8GB RAM and a decent GPU. Verify game files if on Steam or GOG. For Steam, you want to go to Library, right-click Oblivion, go to Properties and Installed Files, and then verify integrity. For the GOG users, you want to go to Manage Installation and then Verify or Repair. Next is you want to update your OBSE. So to do that, you just want to download the latest OBSE and then replace the old files in your Oblivion folder. Next is to check load order and conflicts. You want to use the loot or the load order optimization tool to sort mods, and then disable recently added mods and test, and then increase memory limit. So install the 4GB patch so Oblivion can use more ROM. Download from Nexus Mods and then apply it to Oblivion.exe. Last steps is you wanna reinstall the large mods like Oblivion Remastered. So corrupt files during installation can cause crashes, and then reinstall the mod cleanly. Next is run in compatibility mode. You wanna right click Oblivion, go to properties, go to compatibility, then set to Windows 7 and then check run as administrator. So the extra tip for this is that don't use ENB or heavy reshades until the game runs stable. Keep mods updated to their latest 2025 versions. And that is all on how to fix your Oblivion Remastered Has Crashed fatal error.